The respiratory system is a network of organs and structures responsible for gas exchange, specifically oxygen and carbon dioxide, between the body and the environment. It plays a crucial role in supporting cellular respiration, the process by which cells generate energy. The main components of the respiratory system include the nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and lungs. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how the respiratory system works. Inhalation. The process begins with inhalation, which is the act of breathing in. When you breathe in, air enters the body through the nostrils. The nose and nasal cavity help filter, warm, and humidify the air. Pharynx and larynx. From the nasal cavity, the air passes through the pharynx, which is a shared pathway for both air and food. The larynx, or voice box, is located at the top of the trachea and contains the vocal cords. Trachea and bronchial tree. The trachea, or windpipe, is a tube-like structure that connects the larynx to the bronchi. It is lined with cilia, tiny hair-like structures, and mucus-producing cells, which help trap and remove particles and debris from the air. The trachea then branches into two bronchi, with one leading to each lung. Bronchioles. The bronchi further divide into smaller and narrower tubes called bronchioles. These bronchioles continue to branch out and get progressively smaller. Alveoli. At the end of each bronchiole are tiny air sacs called alveoli. The alveoli are surrounded by an extensive network of blood vessels called capillaries. It is at this point that gas exchange occurs. During respiration, oxygen passes through the thin walls of the alveoli into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide, a waste product, moves from the bloodstream into the alveoli to be exhaled. Exhalation. Exhalation, or breathing out, is the reverse process of inhalation. The diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle located beneath the lungs, relaxes, and the rib muscles contract, causing the chest cavity to decrease in size. This leads to the expulsion of air from the lungs through the bronchial tree, bronchioles, trachea, larynx, and out of the nostrils or mouth. The respiratory system includes muscles like the diaphragm and intercostal muscles, which help expand and contract the lungs during breathing. In addition to its role in gas exchange, the respiratory system also helps regulate the body's acid-base balance by controlling the levels of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the bloodstream. It also plays a part in speech production, as air passing through the vocal cords in the larynx allows us to produce sounds and speak. Overall, the respiratory system is vital for maintaining adequate oxygen levels in the body, removing carbon dioxide, and supporting various physiological processes necessary for our survival.